Fun fact, the shape of your red blood cells are optimized for gas exchange. Red blood cells have what's called a biconcave shape. So it's concave on both sides. Bi meaning two, and concave meaning sort of dented in. Here's a diagram of what a red blood cell looks like. You can see that sort of dent, which is on the top and the bottom. This shape gives red blood cells a very high surface area to volume ratio, which is very efficient for gas exchange, which is pretty much the whole point of red blood cells. When red blood cells enter your lungs, they come into an area of high oxygen concentration. And since the cells have a lower concentration, and concentration flows from high to low, the oxygen diffuses into those blood cells, and it's more efficient with this higher surface area. There's more space for it to interact. Similarly, once the blood cells move to tissues or other parts of your body that are low in oxygen, high in carbon dioxide, the exact reverse happens. It then shares the oxygen from the red blood cell and actually takes in the carbon dioxide from the rest of your body, which is why you also breathe out carbon dioxide. These red blood cells are also very flexible, which makes them be able to squeeze through small capillaries. And it's this flexibility that is also really important to how they move through your body. The shape of a red blood cell is given by its cytoskeletal protein structure, which is this structure of proteins you can almost picture it as sort of a scaffolding for the cell. If this scaffolding is defective, then your cells lose their proper shape, which really affects their ability to transport oxygen or move through your body easily, which leads to things, for example, sickle cell anemia being one of them. So overall, the shape of your cell is very fine-tuned to do exactly what it needs to do. Get oxygen to your body and get carbon dioxide out. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that fun?